Are you frustrated your plants and vines are growing out of control and spreading everywhere? We decided to build a trellis to help give direction and support to our healthy plants. We only need a few things to make this build. Let's begin. First, we will dig 5 holes into the ground about 1 foot deep so that we can place our plants or vines into the ground and regrow them so that they can begin grabbing onto the trellis. Once the 5 holes are dug, we will put half a foot of water to help with the soil to secure both 2 by 4 pieces of wood and to help the plants grow. We will also add compost into the holes as this will greatly help the plants to have a healthy start. Time to grab the plants or vines you want to plant and control. First, cut or unroot the plants and place them into the holes with the compost. Once that is done, leave them on the ground until we have the trellis built. Let's begin building the trellis. Grab 2 8 feet 2 by 4 pressure treated wood and we will cut the ends 45 degrees to make a post to dig into the ground. Then take a sledgehammer and hit them into the ground about half a foot deep. We can cover all the holes back up with dirt and pile the plants and vines by the base of the trellis. Next, let's grab 1 8 feet 2 inch by 2 inch pressure treated wood and cut 3 pieces each measuring 2.5 feet. Then bring those 3 pieces of wood to the frame and screw them into the trellis. Time for the fun and creative part. You can grab your plants and vines and secure them to the trellis using the twist ties. Interweave the plants and spread them from the bottom to the top of the trellis. It looks amazing. You have built your very own trellis. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe and check out our other videos. See you in the next video.